Hey everyone, today we're going to be reviewing some snow cleats for your bucket loader. I have a full float function on my front bucket, so it will not dig in at all, and that's where these are going to come into play. So we're going to test these out, see if these are really worth the money. My four-wheeler went down, so the tractor's what I have right now, so let's see what happens. So right off the bat, they're very, very thick steel. It looks like to be about a 1/4 inch. They're roughly a foot long. And then they just simply slip onto the bucket and then you tighten the screw down. So let's go over that real fast. Just simply slip it right over the lip of the bucket there. And you can see at the front there, the corner of the bucket gets in here nice and tight with the way these are shaped and designed. Right on the edge. So slip those on and we'll crank this. And make sure our other one's tightened down. Let's go ahead and push some snow around and see what happens. This is a 6-foot wide bucket in case you're curious. Well, the verdict's in. I think that was well worth the money. Now you saw towards the end there, I threw in the grader blade as well. This is an excellent, excellent combination, and I think the best way to plow. The bucket loader will get the big, thick, heavy snow, and then the grader blade comes in behind and gets it a little bit closer down to the ground. So we'll take a closer look at these. Now I did use these ski shoes once before this video, but it was mostly slush in that, so it wasn't really anything worthy of seeing. But I can tell you from that video that after prolonged use, these can work a little bit loose. And so when I go to dump my snow load, I just take a look and make sure these are still on here. And I think I might replace these with bolts that I could use a ratchet to really tighten down. But you can see you get pretty close to the ground with these as is. Now I'm the kind of guy that'll research a toaster for 4 hours before I buy one, so I can tell you, these are pretty much all identical. Any brand name, they're all the same gauge steel and everything, so I just went with the cheapest ones. And I'll put a link in the video description to show you which ones I got. But overall, those two attachments together did an excellent, excellent job of getting right down to the ground without digging into the stone and that. So I'm really, really happy with it. All I got to do now is throw a little salt down. We still have a layer of ice in that few inches of slush we got the other day. But this bucket loaded with the ski shoes and then add in the greater blade on top of it, far superior to my ATV I was using. And I can tell you with these ski shoes, I'm glad I didn't spend the money on a snow plow, because you have a snow plow right here with these ski shoes in this bucket. So you can save several $1,000s. And if you haven't seen my video on this quick hitch attachment, check that out. These are really awesome too. Back right up, hook up your implements in seconds without messing with all these 3-point attachment arms. So another great addition to your machine. So there towards the end, you did see where I put the bucket in float mode coming down over this hill, just to demonstrate what that is for anybody that may not know. Float mode, your bucket will not dig in. It'll float with the surface of the ground, and that's really the key behind these ski shoes. So that's going to conclude this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope that helps you make your decision on whether or not you want to purchase these ski shoes. And if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, please do that now. I'd really appreciate the support. Thanks for watching.